My name is Joe Guerrera, and I know fish. Today, we're going to sear some sea scallops. I'm going to take these sea scallops, and this pan has to be red hot for this recipe. I'm going to take a little olive oil and just put it on top of these scallops. And the reason for the hot pan and the olive oil on the scallops is this way. When I put them in this really, really hot pan, it will caramelize quickly. And I'm going to say this is 60 seconds on each side at the most. Scallops are terrific because they're healthy and they taste good. You never want to crowd the pan of scallops because it's not going to cook the same way. 60 seconds on each side. Okay, these are done. We're ready to go. I'm adding microgreens just to garnish the dish. And then I'm going to finish it with just a pinch of sea salt. And there we go. Seared sea scallops in 2 minutes.